Hello all. Till now, we have finished the basics of Matlab and basic concepts of MBD, model-based design. Now let's start with the Simulink. So, in get started with Simulink, we will learn about the Simulink overview first. So, Simulink is a Matlab companion product for simulation and model-based design that offers an interactive block diagram-based graphical user environment. Simulink is widely used in various industries for system and software level design analysis, simulation, code generation, and dynamic systems verification. With the help of an interactive graphical editor, customizable block libraries, solvers, and programming APIs, Simulink enables user to model a various linear and non-linear systems in a discrete time and continuous time or combination of discrete and continuous time. Okay, it supports the modeling and simulation of several real-world phenomena such as friction, air resistance, thermodynamics, thermal, mechanical, electrical, electromagnetical, physical, hydraulic, and so on behaviors, which quickly allows user to create a prototype graphical model of the system. The user can also predict the system behavior, and by adjusting a few parameters, they can fine tune the design as per their requirement. All of this possible without actually having a construct their physical prototype, resulting in a saving significant amount of time, cost, and effect. Simulink provides a highly interactive, easy to use graphical environment and a vast set of pre-built library blocks to make modeling fun and interesting with some click and drag mouse operations. Click and drop mouse operations. A user can implement the model at speed of thoughts. So user can implement a model at speed of thoughts. You can see here how user is going to implementing a model according to their requirements. Okay. The easy access to simulation and visualization introduce the user's curiosity to try out different solutions to identify the most effective design. The design validation is also quite easy to achieve. Additionally, Simulink also provides an options to create, modify, simulate the MATLAB environment model programmatically. With the addition of application toolbox, it is possible to extend the capability of Simulink in the area of application specific design. Rapid prototyping, validation, and verification, code generation, and integration. So these all are covered about a Simulink. Okay. So basically the highlights of Simulink. These are the some key features. These are three key features of Simulink. First is simulation and modeling. So Simulink is used for modeling and simulation across multiple environments to the simulate all parts of the system functionalities. Okay. Second one is verification and validation and testing. Okay. In many industries, Simulink is developed for model-based design of complex embedded systems. To generate production quality code, Simulink offers verification and validation of these systems to identify error during the initial stages. Okay, as eliminating the need to develop the expensive prototyping. It's also providing the options to validate the design in a various conditions with rapid prototyping and hardware in loop testing as well. Okay, so automatic code generation is third one. So the vision to automatically generate mass production ready code instead of manually writing thousands of code lines has made Simulink very popular in embedded system development. Simulink generates C or HDL code for from a model for embedded processors or FPGA as keys to support a different development stages with a minimum effects. Okay, so this is all about the highlights of Simulink as well, and get started with Simulink. So we will start our course outline. So in this course we will went through this all these 5 points. First is what is Simulink, working with Simulink, how Simulink works, and componentizing and models. Okay, so let's get started with the first. What is Simulink? So before that, I'll just introduce you a few of the application fields where Simulink is used. So you can see here so many images. Mostly Simulink is used in VLSI, automotive, medical, like in automotive car infotainment systems as well, aerospace, aviation domains, and some mechanical domains, power electronics or electronics domain, and so many domains where Simulink is using now. So there are various operations of applications of Simulink. Okay, so let's get started with Simulink. So what is Simulink? That questions comes in everyone's mind. So the simple answer is Simulink is a software package for modeling, simulating, and analyzing dynamical system. Okay, simple. In simple words, you can remember this. What is Simulink? Is that Simulink is a software package for modeling, simulating, and analyzing a dynamical system. So these are some key features like block diagram editing, non-linear simulation, hybrid like continuous and discrete models, asynchronous like non-uniform sampling solutions, fully integrated with Matlab toolbox and block set. So this is the Simulink. So some accurately design, implement and test some of the things. So few of comes like control systems, signal processing, communication systems, embedded system, physical system and other dynamical systems are also covered inside it. Okay. So model-based design, just now we have studied in completely thoroughly in model-based design. So how Simulink makes model-based design? In that way, first is modeling and simulation. So it's used for multi-domain dynamic systems, non-linear systems, continuous time, discrete time, and multi-rate systems. And second one is plant and controller design. So in plant and controller design, which is rapidly model what if scenarios, okay, and communication design ideas, embody the performance specification, select or optimize control, architecture, and parameters. What's in implementation now? Automatic code generation we are getting from Simulink itself, and rapid prototyping for hill and seal and so many testing, verification validation, it's made us easy. So this is one of the basic example of Simulink. Okay, so Bell Helicopters developed the first Calivian Teltora using a model-based design. Okay, so this is the first helicopter which is designed with using model-based design. So here are a few commands and challenges what they faced, some solutions what they've got from Simulink, and some results. So challenges like what to design the build of BA 609, the first and fastest commercially available like helicopter aircraft in the world. Okay, so simulation like what are the solutions for this? What they got from model-based design? Use model-based design with Matlab, Simulink, and real-time workshop software to model and simulate the test and verify the design. Okay, so these are some results they got from this. Okay, full collaboration with supplier via Simulink models. Okay, flight control system code generated automatically from models, 40% improvement in design and development time, and there are so many specifications what they will got, and there are some comma like some comment which from developer of this helicopter. Simulation and a rapid interactive approach enables us to minimize the unknown and ensure that we had established enough margin that when we run into surprise, we could continue to have the safe flights test program and run it with unprecedented efficiency. Okay, so that's all about this. What is Simulink and why Simulink we are using. Okay, okay. Now we will in next class we will start with working with Simulink. That's it.